gel. We have to be protecting our skin from the sun because we're getting older and we want to be rich, nice looking aunties in the years to come. Hi my loves, welcome back to another skincare video. In today's video I'm going to be giving you guys a basic skincare routine. I know that not everybody wants to spend so much time with skincare, figuring things out. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you one of the best basic skincare routine that you can use. It is reliable, it is effective, and it is very affordable. So I'll be sharing a basic skincare routine that's going to include your face routine and also your body routine. I'm going to be sharing this skincare routine that you can use to achieve a radiant, glowy skin tone. And I'm caramel skin tone, so this is going to be for my caramel girlies. These are the basic things that you need in your skincare routine. You don't really need a lot, and you don't also have to break the bank for you to have that juicy, glowy skin that you actually want. I know that things are very pricey. Get off that mentality that your skincare has to be very expensive for it to be effective. No, that's not actually how it works. Hi my loves, I'm Ejilechi. If it's the first time you're seeing this beautiful face, please don't make it your last by clicking on the subscribe button. Like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you get notified whenever I drop a video. And if it's not, hi my love, welcome back. So guys, the first thing we're going to be talking about is the skincare for your face, which is very important actually, because people notice your face first before the rest of your body. So the basic things that you need for your face is like a face wash, and this is different from the regular body wash that you use. I would say that it is important that you have a different face cleanser, a different face wash for your face from the one that you have for your body, being that what your face wash does, it's not just washing your face. It actually has other things that it does. It helps with baking oil on your face, sweat on your face. It also helps with hydrating your face. So there are some key ingredients that you should have in your face wash that's going to help you balance your face and all of that. I will advise that you use like a hydrating face wash. There's this one from Simple. I'm going to leave a picture on the screen. It's also very affordable, it's nice. Do you understand? There's also this one from CeraVe as well. It is a very, very great option. So try to use a hydrating face wash, especially in your morning skincare routine. That's basically what you need to get your day started. Have an amazing face wash. The one from Simple is very affordable. I'm going to leave the product on the screen. I'm also going to leave the price on the screen as well. So yes, wash your face properly with your face wash. Then the next thing that you need for your face is an antioxidant, and I would recommend a vitamin C serum. It's going to have some products that is going to help like brighten your face. You just need that. You don't need something very active on your face, especially in the morning. So this is like a basic morning, basic everyday routine that you need. So a vitamin C serum will work just fine for you. So they are very affordable options. I'm going to leave some options for you on the screen as well. It is great that you have something like that in your routine. And then the next wonderful thing that you need for your face is your moisturizer. Notice I didn't say face cream, I said moisturizer, because there's a very huge difference between moisturizer and most of the face creams that we used to have before that people used to use. That's because moisturizers are basically hydrating, and they're like water based. They have a lot of water in it, so that they're just there to promote hydration, so that you have 24 hours hydration, so that your face is going to be looking plump and nice throughout 24 hours. An affordable option is the Simple moisturizer. They have the Simple hydrating moisturizer, and they have the Simple replenishing. They have the Simple replenishing moisturizer. I use the Simple replenishing moisturizer. I think I've also tried the Simple hydrating moisturizer. It's also a great option, and it's not so pricey. I'll leave a picture, and I will also leave the price of it on your screen as well. Another option is the COSRX moisturizer. I think that's a bit pricey, but it's a wonderful option. So if you think you can splurge, that is also fine. Then the next thing that you need for your face is your sunscreen. This one cannot be overly emphasized. What your sunscreen does is to it protects your face, because once you're doing everything that you're doing, if you're not protecting everything that you're doing, then you're just in trash, because it's like the icing on the cake, is like the ingredients that you need to get the best results, because everything that you've been working on, everything that you're doing on your face, you need to protect it. You're actually creating a barrier between your skin and the UV rays. You understand? That is where air sunscreen comes in, and there are lots of great options. There are affordable options that you can use, especially if you're not really using like a serious active on your face. Then you can actually go for really affordable options that do work. So just make sure that the SPF is like 60. I think from 50 to 60 is a great option for you. I'm going to leave some options for you on the screen as well. They have Dr. Rachel is one that I know that is not really so pricey, but I'm definitely going to leave a lot of options for you on the screen as well. It is one product that you shouldn't do without. And I also did a video about aloe vera gel. It's also a great option for your face, and it's not really like an everyday use. I'm going to tag that video in the description box. I might also leave it up here, so if you want to find out the benefits of aloe vera gel, you can do that. But these are like the basic things that you need. I've mentioned your face wash, your vitamin C serum, moisturizer, sunscreen, and you're actually good to go. Toners are not really necessary. Do you understand? They're just things that you add, probably because you have like a skin concern. So yeah, maybe you're dealing with hyperpigmentation, or you want something else. They're like extra, like you're a proper skincare girly. You want to be extra. Do you understand? But this is like a basic skincare routine that you need to have. Do you understand? So these are great options. And one other thing that you can add is something that exfoliates. You can use chemical exfoliants, or you can use the normal exfoliants that we use. So when I'm treating body, I will talk about this products that we use to exfoliate our skin that you can also use on your face as well, especially if your face is not really tender. Do you understand? So these are the basic things that you need for your face. And these things, just make sure that you get them into a routine and you use them judiciously, continuously on your face. You're going to get great results. You're going to feel that plumpness on your skin. Do you understand? That's basically what you need. Any other thing is like an extra, like extra efforts for extra results, but like a basic routine, that's what you need. So let's get over to your body skincare routine. For your body, what you actually need is like a body wash. I like double cleansing. I see the benefits of double cleansing. I like to use a product that moisturizes. One option that I would recommend is the Dove soap. I'm going to leave a picture of it on the screen. They have different variants and you can choose from them. It's very moisturizing. I like to go for bars more than gels, although I've tried a really nice gel. That's the Nivea gel wash. It's great. It's a very great option, and if you're a girly that likes something that smells nice, it actually smells very nice. So I'll leave a picture of it on the screen as well. So if you're double cleansing, for me, I like to use like a bar before I use shower gel. So these are different options. You can walk around with it, see what works for you. The Dove bar, the Olay bar, the Nivea body wash gel is also a great option. So let's move over to body creams. A great option for body cream is the Olay vitamin C body cream. It's really phenomenal, but I feel like it's a bit pricey, so there are other options for you. I think there's one from Nivea. I really don't want to show. I'm going to leave most of the pictures on the screen, but this body lotion from Nivea Radiance and Beauty, I love this product a lot. It's really nice. It's a great option. There are several options that you can try out, but I'm just going to be giving you things. Let me just give you things that I use that are nice, that are basic. So this is very affordable. You shouldn't stop there. You want to have that glowy skin. I know I'm talking about basic products here, so you want to have that glowy skin. Another option for you is to include oils. in your skincare routine. You don't have to be having a lot of oils, especially if you want something very basic. So I'm going to give you some options. Like the Easy Tone oil is a nice option. Then the Palmer's oil is really lightweight. If you want something that is lightweight, it's great. But one wonderful option that I would recommend to you is the Aveeno oil. It is moisturizing. After you apply your body lotion, then you go in with your oil on your skin. It's going to go deep into your skin, and with continuous usage you're going to notice the difference on your skin. Trust me, body oils are a great option. You need to just go beyond using your lotions for you to have that wonderful skin that you actually see on people and that you like. So get a great body oil. And another thing you can do is that you can actually also research on oils that you want. Is it carrot oil, fenugreek oil, avocado oils? You can have all these oils and just mix them together. You know, that's what you want. You have some skin contents that you want to tackle, mix them together and use on your skin. But one thing I think doesn't really work is mixing your body lotions and your body oil together, because I feel like it doesn't just mix. Oils are different. That's why you have to keep shaking it for it to mix together, because I feel like it doesn't really just mix. It's just better you apply your lotion and then you apply your body oil. Another thing that you don't want to do without is exfoliating your skin. Exfoliating your skin, it is very important that you take away dead skin cells so that your products can actually penetrate into your skin and that you can reveal a great skin. Do you understand? Like when you take away the dead skin cells by exfoliating. And some great exfoliating product options for you is the one from Tea Tree. Another option for scrub for you is the Q Spa Salt Scrub. This is also a great option. It really helps to exfoliate your skin. It will help you get rid of dead skin cells, and it's going to help your products work for you better, and it's going to, you know, help your skin glow. So these are the basic things that you don't want to do without for your body oil, body lotion, body scrub as well. I think I don't want to fuse these both videos together. There are so many tricks of hygiene tips that I want to share. Another thing that you can add is an SPF for your lips, because I noticed that we don't really apply SPF on our lips, and you get it is necessary. So SPF for your body as well. I forgot to mention, especially when you're wearing clothes that your skin is going to be out. Girl, we have to be protecting our skin from the sun, because we're getting older and we want to be rich, nice looking aunties in the years to come. Do you understand? You don't want your skin on your face to be popping while from your neck down you're not looking, you know, the way you want to look. So try as much as possible to get sunscreen for your body as well. You can use a different sunscreen for your face, maybe something that's not so pricey for your body, something that comes like in a large tube. Do you understand? You get what I mean for your body. I think I did a video on 2 different sunscreens. I'm going to tag it because I feel like there's one of the sunscreen options there that you can actually use on your body as well. So trust me, girl, using all these products, they are not a lot. This is just like a basic skincare for your face and your body. Using all these products is going to help you achieve what you want to achieve. Definitely someone that looks at you will know that you are actually taking care of your skin. So I've mentioned the skincare basics that you need for your face and your body, and that's what this video is about. So if you do have other questions for me, please feel free to leave that in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to answer that, and if need be, to do a video to that effect. And thank you so much for all the love. We are almost at 1K, guys. Thank you, guys. So don't forget to like this video because it's going to help the algorithm recommend it to people that will need it. Subscribe to my channel as well. We always have fun on this channel, don't we? And I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.